Hey everybody, how's it going? Today we're going to be installing the new windshield wipers on my 2019 GMC Canyon. The wiper sizes for these trucks is 22 and 18. My 2019 Canyon uses the hook style wiper blade attachment, but the previous years used the top lock style. Either way, they are the same length blades, 22-inch for the driver's side and 18-inch for the passenger side. It's just a slightly different attachment. This video is going to be for the hook style attachment, but I also have an example of the top lock style later in the video. I'm using Bosch ICON. These have been my favorite wipers over the years. I get them at Advanced Auto Parts, so you can get them online. While I'm at it, replacing the windshield wipers, I'm gonna top off the fluids. Now, I like using Rain-X because it kind of creates like a film on top of the windshield that helps disperse the water when it's raining. Now, if you're in a colder climate, you're gonna wanna stay away from this green bottle. This is for plus 32 degrees, so in the wintertime, this will actually freeze inside of your windshield washer reservoir, which is not good. But this is great for warmer summertime conditions where you get a lot of bugs. The green is my favorite to use in the summertime. In the wintertime, I stick to this orange bottle. This is all season. It goes down to minus 25 right there on the bottle, and it does a pretty good job of keeping the windshield relatively clean. So let's get these unboxed and installed on the truck. So these Bosch wipers are a blade style. They don't have any of the mechanical linkages like in the older style. These are flexible in themselves, and they just sort of contour to the window as needed. Now, to remove the wipers, you need to come on one side or the other of the vehicle. We're going to do the passenger side one first and just flip it up. Now, these are a hook style windshield wiper, which means that the end of the metal rod here on the wiper arm is a hook. So these are actually the OEM equipped windshield wipers from the factory. I haven't replaced them since I've gotten this truck. It's probably time. So the way you remove these, on the back side of the wiper arm, there's a little clip. And I'll see if I can get closer in and show you that, what it looks like here in a second. So on the back side of the wiper there's this little clip right where my index finger is. And you need to push that clip towards the wiper arm, this part here. Push it towards, and then you can pull the wiper off. So when I said these were hook style, that's what I meant by hook style. They have a hook on the end of the wiper arm. So I'm gonna do it again on this one. I'm gonna reach back behind here with my index finger and push the little tab, and then slide the wiper down off of the hook, and then it comes right out. Let's go look at these on the bench. All right, so we're back on the bench here. We got the two sets of wiper blades. These are the old style, and like I said, these are like the, old school style wiper blade. They got the linkages here with the metal arm. These are okay, but in colder climates during the wintertime, these are all going to get clogged up with snow and ice and freeze and make the wipers not work as well when you're driving in a snowstorm. So I've never replaced wipers on a vehicle with this style arm ever since I've been buying vehicles. So I've always replaced them with this single blade style because they just work better in the wintertime. Now, I live in North Carolina. I really don't have to deal with snow and ice anymore, but I used to live in Illinois, and these style blade wipers were so much better. A lot of people think, it's just windshield wipers. I don't really need to replace them. Well, they collect so much gunk from driving on the road. I'm just using a little bit of alcohol here to wipe this blade off. And you can see just from that wipe, look at all the crap on those. Over time, these will just start to streak water, making it unsafe for you to drive in adverse conditions. So make sure you're, replacing your wipers, not like every month, but as needed. I like to replace my wipers at least once a year. If they get damaged for some reason, maybe more often. So with these new wipers, they are basically the same style of installation. There's a little bit more going on right here. And to get to the part where you install it, you have to actually squeeze this tab here on this little plastic arm, and then you're going to insert the hook arm of the wiper through the front here and hook it on to this spot inside of this door, and then you're actually going to close the door on top of it just like that, and then the new blade is secured into the wiper arm. Here's an example of the top lock style wiper. You just need something to depress the little tab. Then you can slide the wiper out of the locking port and then put the new one in, just like that. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Love it if you subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. See you next time, guys. Later.